friends, Rotary District 3141 is one of the premier Rotary districts around the world, doing amazing work for the community. Rotary Year 2021 is a very special year and it is also called as the Vision Year. In this year, we have got District Governor Sunil Mehra at the helm of affairs, wherein many new initiatives have been introduced to create a difference and make Rotary seen. There's a Givers Gain project to generate funds out of waste, which will be used to fund Rotary Foundation for various humanitarian projects. Under the Over is another initiative to beautify Mumbai and create utility spaces below the flyovers. Lots of efforts are going on towards literacy, malnutrition, health, sanitation, and other verticals. Viz Talks is one more initiative, a novel concept in the vision year with an ideology to support Rotarians to support Rotary. Viz Talks is also to create more bonding and proximity amongst Rotarians on personal, Rotary, and professional fronts. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more, to make a difference in the community. I am Dr. Manish Motwani, a bariatric surgeon and also the Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in the year 2021. I will be your host for the day. Friends, we have a very special person there with us today. A Rotarian with more than 2 decades of Rotary experience. A Rotarian with one of the most premier clubs of District 3141. Yes, friends, it's Rotarian Dr. Indumati Gopinathan from Rotary Club of Bombay, Chembur. She is a Rotarian who's passionate about her profession and patients. She's passionate about family, she's passionate about teaching, and she's also passionate about Rotary, especially foundation programs. She loves music, she loves to explore new places. She's been a past president of Indian Medical Association Chembur branch, and she's also the editor of Newsletter of Association of Practicing Pathologists. She's in the RI Technology Tech Coordinator for Disease Prevention and Treatment in 2017. Friends, she's a Rotarian of principles, credibility, integrity, brilliant at work with a fantastic, captivating personality. She's exceptional and a fascinating person. Let me have the pleasure of presenting before you this delightful and pleasant Rotarian, Dr. Indumati Gopinath.
Hello, Manish. What a pleasure to be interviewed by you.
It's all mutual, Indumati, because it's my pleasure and privilege to have you with me on this talk show. So thank you for accepting the invitation and coming here on this Viz Talks, a unique concept of District 3141 for the year 2021. Indumati, we've worked so much together since so many years. We've been in several committees. Over so many years, we've known so much about each other, you and your family, me and my family. But there's so many other Rotarians listening to us today, so many non-Rotarians who are going to be listening to us today. I wanted to speak something about you as a person and your family.
Okay, Manish, I hail from a very typical Tambram family that places a lot of importance on academic excellence and education, and with a mother who always wanted to do good for the community and for others, and a father who placed importance on scholastics. It was obvious that I would be, going through the best of colleges and medical colleges, and landed up doing my MBBS and MD from St. GS Medical College. And my tryst with Rotaract during medical college was what was my first brush with Rotary. And then came the GSC program, a program that involves going to another country to spend almost 2 months, not only to get exposed to your academic side, but also to the culture and the way of life of people there. And that was the turning point in my life, early in practice in 1988.
Fantastic. Something about your family life too, Indumati?
My family life, as my maternal and paternal family, of course, I was and a sister, and we were very closely knit. An extended family was like the nuclear family. So that was a great upbringing with a lot of values in place. And now my husband, who is a finance person, 2 sons, one an oculoplastic surgeon and another a psychiatrist, and 3 grandkids, and we all stay together as a joint family. So in fact, the lockdown has been a lot of fun for us. So in that sense, we continue to be close-knit, and we attach a lot of lot of importance to being together.
Fantastic. This is something which is rarely seen today. So you have learned this from your parents. Being in a close-knit joint family is always the best, and that is what you are also passing on the culture and the family virtues to your children too. And I feel this is something great, and this is the need of the hour today, in the times of nuclear families and in the times of people uh, joining and separating. This is not what is India is. What India is what you are trying to promote, and that's really so nice on your part.
Thank you, Manish.
Dr. Anumati, you have been in Rotary since more than 2 decades, and you've been a favorite of almost all past district governors. You have always done whatever has been given to you exceptionally well, but you have also excelled as a professional. You have always loved your work. You've always loved your patients. You've always been a person full of commitment, ethics, and integrity. We want you to speak something about your profession also.
Yes, pathology being a basic science, one has to know everything about every subject in medicine. That covers all the branches. So it makes it very all-encompassing and very interesting. And being in laboratory medicine as a consultant, though people have the impression that, pathologists are non-clinical, I would rate it as actually it's what you want it to be. If you establish a rapport with the patient, you also take interest in their history during the investigative journey, you can draw a lot of diagnostic help for the clinician and for yourself to grow as a pathologist. And besides doing basic laboratory medicine, along with a little diagnostics like ECG and digital X-rays, which we provide, I am very interested in cytology and histopathology. And histopathology is especially related to uropathology and ocular pathology, and more so ocular oncopathology. So it has been actually a very rewarding experience because you learn so much more and so much in depth about certain things. And in addition to this aspect of practicing, I really love teaching. So for quite a bit of my career in the beginning, I've been a full-time teacher also, and even been an associate professor at the MGM in Navi Mumbai. So that is always an integral part of me. I just can't miss an opportunity to teach.
That's
So
great.
that's
Indumati, I'm myself a bariatric surgeon, a weight loss surgeon, but I have never till date felt that your field is a non-clinical field, because as much as I know of you, we've rarely seen below your diagnosis that please correlate clinically. You have to be absolutely apt with every knowledge of every subject for you to be able to give that pathological diagnosis. And today is the time of subspecialties and super specialties, and you liking to be in a field of oculo-oncopathology. That means that you want to go into more of specialities. This is something only a person who really loves his work or is too dedicated in the work would like to do. Otherwise, people might just take it that, yes, I'm a pathologist, I have to just take care of the samples that come. This is not what you are. And you are a person who has always excelled in whatever has been given to you, whether it has been in your profession, whether it has been teaching, or whether it has been Rotary. And for us, Rotary is a proof of what you are actually as a person and as a worker. Now coming to your designation in the coming year, Indumati, you know that Rotary, there are two things which are most important. One is Rotary membership and Rotary Foundation. Why are the two things very important? Because if you have good membership, you'll be able to do good community work. If you have got the foundation is strong, that is the Rotary Foundation, which funds humanitarian projects. If that is strong, you'll be able to fund the community projects. So yes, community projects keep happening, but membership and foundation carry a lot of value. And this year, Indumati, you have been given one of the best positions that any person could get in any Rotary year, that is a district project director, that means in charge of the entire district for membership. This is a position with lots and lots of responsibility, but then it has to be always given to a person whom we feel is capable of doing it and can execute everything with finesse. And that is what you are. I would like you to tell something about what are your plans with membership in this year, and how do you plan to carry that forward, and how will you be motivating your presidents and all Rotarians to do their best in membership. At the same time, you are district project director for membership. So, Dr. Indumati, you have an added responsibility because this show is going to be watched by Rotarians, vision presidents, fresh new Rotarians, and also non-Rotarians. So, it is also the best chance that you are getting to let non-Rotarians know the reason why they should be joining Rotary. So, it's all yours, please.
Thank you so much, Manish. I think when Rotary works at a personal level and gives you fulfillment, and you're convinced that this is so right for you, it's very easy to inform others about the pleasures and the enriching experience that Rotary is. For example, the internationality of Rotary has been such a great thing that everybody in the community should be aware of. Being able to go to a country like Uganda for 5 years in succession, being able to teach people there, watching a visible difference, that has given such a thrilling experience for me. So for membership, which is the heart of Rotary, the strength lies obviously in members, and that is the top internal priority of Rotary International. Rotary is already having 101.2 million members across the world. And in fact, 3141 is a thriving district. If we are in it, it is out of choice because it is something that is working for us. So on my part, I think the first thing would be to give public awareness about the good that Rotary does across the world, like eradication of polio, and now the movement across India to fight non-communicable diseases that can make India into a healthy nation in future. So through camps, through medical camps, through awareness in terms of PR exercise, in terms of talking to people about how Rotary works for us, and imparting knowledge to Rotarians on the Pandora's box that Rotary is, the kind of avenues it has. There is everything in it for everyone. You can choose what you want to do and you can take it up and do it well. And I'm so sure, as you are, Manish, that out in the community, there are thousands of people who are actually Rotarians, but it's just that they have not joined Rotary. They want to do good. You know, definitely there is no other way other than joining Rotary. And let me tell you one very important thing. Being busy is the best thing that is a pre-qualification for Rotary. If you are busy, you really don't have time, you are the best person to join Rotary because automatically you will find time to do something for Rotary using your own expertise in your own field. And there are so many gains in Rotary, which our new leadership has brought in this year. You can promote each other's businesses at a time like COVID crisis when people are facing economic downs. Imagine you have an organization that says you promote your fellow Rotarians' work. Please make business work for him so that we all work together for Rotary. So these are some of the amazing things that Rotary has. And our district is a very prolific district. It's a thriving district. It is a premier district in the world in terms of programs, in terms of giving to the Rotary for grants, and in terms of the number of grants we get. So this formula won't go wrong, Manish. Membership will take leaps and bounds and just go higher and higher. Mark my words.
Fantastic. Indumati, you're a person with so much of confidence, self-motivated person. And your confidence and self-motivation is so contagious. I'm sure it will attract so many others around. And you rightly said this was long pending that we should officially let people promote their businesses also in Rotary, because if I get something from Rotary, I'm going to give back more to Rotary. And very frankly, I'll tell you, Rotarians are the ones who follow the four-way test. Four-way test. Is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendships? Will it be beneficial to all concerned? This four-way test, if we are going to apply in our profession and in Rotary, and the type of ethics and transparency that we show in Rotary, if we show the same thing in our businesses, people will always be dying to join hands with us. And then only the businesses can grow, the friendship can grow, and the bonding can grow. We want Rotary to be a close-knit family wherein we have friends, we work together in Rotary, and we also work together in profession. Then only when everyone comes, everyone flourishes, Rotary will also flourish. And District 3141 has been a leader in this all across the globe, and we will lead all the way for years and years to come.
And Manish, we have seen the transformation of personalities as they grow in Rotary.
Absolutely, absolutely. I have seen in myself, I am seeing
In myself too.
in yourself too. And we know as medical professionals, we have had huge transformation in the way we speak to people, we address them, we take care of multiple things. It becomes like a multifaceted personality over a period of time. Yes, Indumati, this has been brilliant. You have been so practical in your talk today. I'm sure it's going to attract so many other people, and you've really proved it that it was one of the best choices to have Dr. Indumati Gopinathan as the district project director for membership, because this interview itself will bind so many people to Rotary that it is unimaginable. Thank you so much for
Thank
your
you so much.
You were fantastic, fabulous in your approach, and lovely in your interview.
My pleasure. Totally.
Thank you.
Thanks.